currently minus 12 right now.
The reason that you got into an accident because
I know that's what I'm saying, baby. It's a guys, nag-i-snow na dito sa Edmonton. Ayan. Punong-puno. Bibi ko. Ating ora-orahan ngayon, no? Hindi ko alam, guys, na umuulan or nag-i-snow. So, ito lang yung damit ko. Hindi na ako nag-jacket kasi ayan. You're wet! Ayan, para siyang wet snow. So, hindi namin alam na nag-i-snow sa labas. Hindi ko na-check yung weather. Guys, today is Friday. Ayan. Kumain muna kami sa bahay. Nagluto lang ako kahapon ng pansit bihon. So, yun yung inanuhan namin. Lunch namin today. So, pupunta kami sa West Edmonton Mall today. Pero, papagupit muna tayo kasi itong Diyosawa ko ayaw nagpapagupit. Kaya, pinilit muna natin ng very light, no? Alam ko sa sarili niya, ayaw niya talaga magpagupit. Pero, ang date lang kami, ikot-ikot. Tapos, wala naman kami plano. Babe.
Surrounding areas are massive.
Oh, sinong bagong gupit?
Me.
You, ayan guys. Yan yung gupit ng asawa ko, 'di ba? Trim lang siya. Dito. Ayan. You like it?
Yeah.
Ito natin to sobrang liwan. Worth it. Ayan. Talikod ka, babe. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. 'Di ba ang ninis? I like it. Iso pogi na talaga.
Na ulit.
Apa, hindi na galing forest.
Hindi na Tarzan.
Hindi na. Let's go. Guys, andito na kami sa West Edmonton Mall. Ayan. Check mo muna. Ayan. Pupunta, ikot-ikot lang kami. Natigil na ulit yung yung snow. Pero basang-basa yung daanan. Ayan. Guys, andito kami sa Miniso. Ang cute nito, oh. Care Bear siya na keychain. Oh, di ba? Bibilin daw sa akin ng asawa ko. Ang cute. Parang $8.99 lang naman siya. So, ayan. Bibilin niya tayo. Cute. Lalagay natin siya sa bag natin ngayon. Para may decor. Cute. Thank you, baby. Ang cute, oh. Kasi meron na silang mga ganyang toys. Mga 3D. Ayan, oh. May flower, may rose. Ang cute nito, oh. Magkano yung mga ganyan, babe?
$5-6.
Really? Where? That's nice. Is that? Piglet. That's cute. That's you. That's really cute. Oh, piglet. You should be. That's really you. This one is really you. Oh, babe, it has like sweater. Ang cute. I know, that's what I'm saying, babe. It has a hoodie. Guys, andito kami sa favorite pho place namin dito sa West Edmonton Mall. Ayan. Kakain kami for supper ng pho. The best ang pho dito sa mall. So, ayan. Hey guys, ang sarap. Ayan. Kain po tayo. Ano, masarap?
Andito kayo sa West Edmonton, you should try my pa because it's the best.
Pulang-pula. Oh.
Ganito pala, babe.
Ay. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, guys.
It is 10:07. We're gonna go to the church today. Ayan. Parang ngayon lang ulit kami nakapag-church for the last couple weeks kasi lagi kaming out of town. So, ayun. We're heading to St. Joseph Basilica. Dito kami lagi nag-church kasi malapit lang siya, mga 10 minutes drive. So, ayan. Super nice to go to church. Nakakamiss talaga magpunta ng church. Tapos, hindi masyadong malamig. It's actually 0 degrees right now. Dito na kami sa church. Ayan. Dito lang kami nag-park sa gilid. Ayan. Guys, katatapos lang ng church namin. Ayan. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa parking ulit. So, tapos, after nung mass, nagpunta kami sa
Candles of
sa devotional candles.
Candles.
Oh. Ayan.
First time namin.
First time.
ko din, guys.
Ayan lang. Balik na tayo ulit sa bahay.
Guys.
Pabalik na kami, guys. Galing ng church. Ngayon, magla-lunch na kami. So, it's a Sunday today here. Kaya, bukas may pasok ng aking asawa. So, hindi na tayo pwedeng maggala-gala. Pahinga na ng aking asawa. Para naman, hindi siya masyadong mapagod. Kasi, Monday na bukas. Tapos, last night, nagluto naman tayo ng caldereta. So, yung calderetang to is wala siyang reno. Pero, still tastes good. Sabi ng aking asawa. So, okay na yun. Basta, manghang sa palagay niya is, as long na masarap sa panlasa ng asawa ko, okay na yan. Diba? Yesterday, we watched the Hello Love Again, no? Super, super nice no movie. And, very relatable kaming dalawa sa mga life challenges nila ni Ethan at saka ni Joy. Kaya, ayun, super nice ng movie. So, but I'm pretty sure by the time you're watching this vlog, hopefully napanood nyo na yung video kasi deserve naman niya talagang mapanood. Tsaka yung deserve natin na, yung paghihintay natin, no, it's really, really nice. So, na-film siya dito sa Canmore, Calgary, dito sa Alberta. So, super nice nung place talaga. And then, ayun, nakakaiyak lang yung mga linyahan nila. Tapos, nakakatawa din yung mga lines ni... Sino yung pangalan ng artista na yun, mahal? Ni Jim. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya talaga sa real life. Pero yung best friend ni Ethan, ayan, si Jim, nakakatuwa yung mga kanyang pick-up line. Talagang matatawa ka. So, ito, nainit na natin yung food ng aking asawa. It's a beef neck bone, carrots and potato. Ayan, wala kasi tayong rino dito. So, wala akong nailagay. But, okay naman lasa niya. Lasa naman siyang caldereta. Ayan. Dito kami sa salas kakain sa living room. How's may luto?
100% delicious.
Salamat na, loves. Ayan. That's we're watching Polar Express. Hey everyone! It's currently 12:20 right now. I'm here sa car kasi I'm gonna go pick it up my vehicle from the auto body shop. So, may share pala ako sa inyo. So, they called me na ready na daw siya. So, sorry pero kasing malamig na siya, guys. It's currently -12 right now. And the vehicle that I have right now, wala siyang remote start na, you know, you can just turn it on for like 30 minutes para mainit na siya sa loob. Wala siyang ganon. It's so weird kasi this is actually a 2025 Mazda CX-5. Pero as you can see nga, I have to be inside the vehicle to get the vehicle started. So, yun lang yung talagang the thing that I don't like about this vehicle. Other than that, okay naman siya sa ginamit ko siya for the last 2 weeks. I'm currently shaking right now kasi sobrang lamig dito sa loob. I'm trying to, you know, concentrate sa sinasabi ko kasi super lamig. Ayan, it's like -12 outside. So, ayun lang. Pero, I'll show you guys kung anong itsura nitong Mazda 2025 CX-5. Hindi ko alam talaga kung anong exactly na model niya. Pero alam ko it's a 2025 Mazda CX-5. Let me show you. It's how it looks like at the front. And then, you have a screen here. So, tong screen na to, it gets touch siya. Ano ba yan? Touch screen siya when it's on a CarPlay. Pero kapag hindi siya CarPlay, then it's not a touch screen. Pero, yan yung look mo dito sa front side. And then, meron ka ditong button for your entertainment, which is kind of cool for me. Nandiyan na yung volume, yung home button. Pero andito na rin yung mga, you know, mga controllers mo for the temperature. So, pretty straightforward. So, as you can see, it's currently -12 right now. And this car needs to be warmed up before I need to, you know, get to run. And then, sa likod, ganito lang siya sa likod. Super linis. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng leather meron siya. Pero I don't think it's like a real red leather. Pero that's how it looks like. Yan. Hindi talaga siya nagamit, you guys. As in, dito lang siya just in case I have to go somewhere, then I use this vehicle. Yun lang. Guys, so just an update. Ayun, nandito na ako sa auto body shop. Pero, nung kukuhanin ko na yung sasakyan ko is hindi gumagana yung screen niya, or you can even adjust the heater. So, ngayon, tinitignan nila what's the problem. So, hopefully, hindi na tayo masyadong magtagal dito kasi medyo mag-iisang oras na rin tayo naghihintay dito. They're just trying to check. So, hopefully, everything will be okay. So, hi guys. Super crazy nitong alis ko na to. Anyway, nakabalik na ako sa apartment. Kwentuhan ko kayo later. So, after ko pumunta sa auto body shop sa downtown, I just went for a quick grocery. Kasi anyway, obviously, we get our 30 pieces large eggs kasi mabilis kaming nakakaubos ng eggs for breakfast or, you know, especially weekend or actually for everyday talaga. I bought this golden bihon. This one, wala na talaga tayong soy sauce. So, I really need to buy one. Kaya, ayan, bumili na rin ako. And then, Nescafe instant coffee. So, ayan, dalawa binili ko kasi paubos na rin yung isa namin ginagamit from mommy and daddy. So, bumili lang ako ng stock namin. So, meron tayong dalawang Nescafe. Bumili na lang din ako nitong sinigang sa sampalok kasi gagamitin ko to later pag nagluto tayo ng sinigang na tilapia. I got 3 pieces of tomatoes. We got some banana kasi parang ang tagal ko nang hindi kumakain ng banana. We always eat apples, orange, and grapefruit a lot. So, and then meron din tayo ditong carrots. And then lastly, I got a tofu kasi si Chris ay gusto niyang magkaroon ng fried tofu. Pero the last time that I bought tofu was actually a very soft. So, hindi ko siya nagamit. So, I have to throw it away. Bok choy natin. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong tilapia, which I'm gonna fry it right now. So, is our tilapia looks like right now. Ayan, pina-fried lang natin siya. Looking good. Ngayon, tapos na i-fry natin yung tilapia. We gonna do the actual recipe na. Igigisa na natin yung coconut milk, onions, and everything in here sa pan para makapagluto na tayo. Kasi 4:30 na at darating ang ating asawa in an hour para makakain na rin tayo ng hapunan. And frying. So, here's our final product, guys. So, ginataang tilapia with sambok choy. Ayan, super good. Yan, guys, titikman na po ng asawa ko yung luto natin na ginataang tilapia. Ay, saan na siya?
Ayan, guys.
Ayan. Just be careful sa tinik, babe, ah. Ayan, titikman niya na.
Ano, parang masarap na, guys.
Taste test.
It's good, guys. Sarap magluto ng asawa ko. Para siyang ginataan na, alam mo yung suso?
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's yung aroma niya. Tapos yung lasa niya, ganyan na ganyan.
Talaga?
Yeah, kaya masarap. Favorite ko din yung ginataang suso.
Wala, meron bang suso dito?
Sa TNT, siguro.
Oh, so it's good.
It's good.
Tare, pasado.
100 out of 100.
Wow naman. Ayan siya, guys. So, ito yung sa akin. Kaya kain na tayo. So, tayo naman ang mag-taste test ng ating luto.
Hindi mo pa natitikman?
Hindi pa.
Masarap siya.
Really?
Good job, Lalab.
Thank you, babe. Yan.
Ako, babe.
With bok choy rice. Tikman natin.
Diba? Sabi ko eh.
Bim, sarap, Bim.
Diba? Para siyang mahal ng kinataang suso.
Oh my God.
Nakakagutom.
Ang sarap, babe. Dito mo lalagay yung tinik mo, my love.
Babe,
Wow.
sarap siya.
Ang sarap, panalo. In fairness, ang galing ng luto ko, guys.
Talaga
Yummy.
ng asawa ko, guys.
Mhm.
Talented. Like mama, like daughter.
Siyempre. Yung naging asawa na ako, naging wifey na ako, guys. Doon na ako nag-start talaga na lagi ako nagluluto. Kasi nga, meron tayong husband na kailangang pakainin. Siyempre, yun naman yung trabaho natin, di ba? Tatrabaho sila, tapos tayo dito tambay. Charot. Yun lang, kain na tayo. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 7:45 in the morning and it's Thursday today. So, today we're gonna go out again kasi meron na naman tayong kailangang puntahan. So, this appointment naman it's for my vehicle. So, as I mentioned yesterday, I got my vehicle from the auto body shop after we had a collision accident. So, ngayon, inayos na siya ng auto body shop, but then upon leaving the parking lot ng auto body is may na-notice ako sa vehicle ko na before ay gumagana talaga siya, like 100% gumagana, no issue at all. Pero nung pumunta ako, nung ipipick upin ko na siya, I'm about to drive, na-notice ko yung screen ko is no longer working. So I'm like, okay, maybe the radio is off, maybe the screen is just off, that they forgot to turn it on. But unfortunately, it's not. It's actually broken. So I waited there at the body shop to get it fixed. Unfortunately, they can't find the problem. So now they asked me to actually go to the actual Nissan dealership to get it fixed. But if the diagnostics find out that that damage is not caused by the repair that they've done, then I will be the one responsible paying to get it fixed. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. So, I have no idea. So, what I'm just trying to do now is just hoping na talagang affected siya dun sa repair na ginawa nila. I have an appointment at 9 a.m. and I still have to drive maybe 16-15 minutes, but girl, I'm a slow driver, so I'm taking my time. I'm just putting some makeup on so I look presentable. I forgot to mention to you guys yesterday the reason that my vehicle got into an accident because of a taxi driver. So we were in the parking lot, and for whatever reason, this taxi driver was backing up and trying to get out. Nahit niya kami sa likod ng sasakyan ko, sa rear bumper niya. First time ever na nangyari yun sa akin as a driver. So, literal guys, sabi ko, shit, what the heck happened? So I was like really mad and really frustrated, really stressed that moment. And the good thing is, kasama ko si Chris, yung asawa ko nung time na yun. So, he's like, okay babe, you need to be calm. So I asked him like, what should I do first? Like, what should I do first? And he told me that collect all of these documents. So that way we can go over and report it to the police. So we collected all the documents, and I feel bad too. I feel bad because I know that sometimes, baka pagod lang sila, and sometimes, they're thinking a lot of stuff in their mind. I don't know, like I feel bad for that guy. Diba? And I reported to the police. I contacted my insurance agent, and then I just waited, I think, for like a week for the whole process to actually get approved, and making sure that the other party, which is the taxi driver's company, will cover the rest of it. So now, ito na tayo. They covered the whole cost of it, diba? So my vehicle got a dent at the rear side bumper, and then meron din siyang lots of scratches. So yun yung naging aftermath niya after the incident. So yun yung story ng vehicle ko, diba? It's crazy. So luckily lang is meron tayong car insurance dito sa Canada, and even me, I have insurance too. Like, I do have car insurance, I do have my own life insurance, because you never know, right? So that's what happened. So now our agenda is to be at West End Nissan dealership para i-ayusin or i-check yung vehicle natin for that specific issue. Guys, nag-i-snow na naman, so magtatanggal tayo ng diba? I think hindi na ako dadaan ng Starbase Super Hassle. Ayan, baka later na lang. So, let's go to the dealership na, guys. So, guys, update lang. Nandito na tayo sa Nissan at waiting time is roughly around 2 hours. So, hopefully, hindi siya ganun katagal. Pero, ayun. Wala naman akong planong lumabas or to go somewhere. Maybe after na lang. So, ayun lang. Nandito tayo sa reception nila. Guys, welcome to another vlog. So it's currently 4:45 in the afternoon and it's Friday today. We are gonna go for a quick errands lang. So ang agenda namin today is mag-look ng Christmas tree. So this is our first Christmas tree together na bibilin namin. So good luck to us kung ano lang yung pasok sa budget. Syempre, yun lang naman yung bibilin natin. And we are currently heading to Michael's kasi dun kami may nakitang mga sale na mga Christmas tree. And hopefully, good quality and good yung artificial leaves niya. So, ayun. To rush hour na at this moment, so sobrang busy ng road, and as you can see, nag-i-snow na rin talaga dito sa Edmonton. Ayan guys, may sunog dito sa bandang Yellowhead area.
151st Avenue.
So 154 Avenue. Oh, it's by the tree. Oh, it's the vehicle, babe.
Sabi ko sa'yo, babe.
It's a vehicle now.
Parang parking lot.
Hey guys, so we made it here sa Michael's. Dito kami sa Clearview. Ito siya, guys. Yan. Let's look na ng Christmas tree natin. So, on the budget lang tayo sa Christmas tree. Sana hindi kami mag-overspend sa Christmas tree namin. Because gusto namin maganda pero on the budget. So, let's go! Wala, 50% ang mga Christmas decors. Oh. This one is may ano siya, manipis lang siya, babe. Pero may parang ano siya. Yeah, ganyan, oh. Skinny. Meron siyang mga ano, snowy. I think I'm gonna remove my toque. Kasi, ayan, ang cute nito, oh. Ganyan siya. Magkano naman? Ooh. 239 siya. It's actually on sale from 599. Pero ganyan siya. Ayan.
Let's just buy this.
Ah? Let's look around pa baka meron. Pero lahat ng ano nila is 50%. Ayan. Wala, ito pa pala, my love. This one is pretty. This is the one that I kinda like. Yeah. Para siyang, ano,
Winter.
yeah. It's always gonna be winter here.
It's not bad.
No?
It's not bad. For the
See,
price.
5 from 9, 239 na lang siya. And it's nice kasi white light siya, babe.
White light siya, nagbabagay sa ambience.
Yeah.
Nasa ka-LED.
Do you
Hindi na
think?
siya kulang yung decoration.
Yes. This is 189. This is still not bad, babe.
Oh, yeah. You're actually right.
See? This is actually a lot better than that.
Better kasi thicker yung stuff.
Thicker. I think I like this one better.
Take this one.
We should take this one. Oh, we need a cart. We should grab a cart first. Okay, let's grab a cart. Best friend, tignan mo yung mga cute lighting nila. Oh, 50% din. It's so cute. Like, look at this. There's like snowman. Ayan. Ang cute. Okay. This is so big, my love.
So good.
Right?
Then sa
What's the other one? Let's go around this one. I want to see this. Oh, this one, there's like a little sparkle. Ano, parang snowflake. Snow siya. Ayan. $2.99 from $5.99. Cute, no? Ang asawa ko gusto gumawa, mag-start ng Christmas village. Ayan, ang cute. I actually do. I really wanna start a small Christmas village kasi ang cute. Pero the problem is to store them. Like this, because right now they're $19.99. So we can grab this one's love, the gold, or this. Guys, nakasale yung parang ornament frames nila, oh. Na-attempt kami bumili. Ayan. Ito, this is really cute. Ayan. This one, it's cute too. Saan pa ba yun nakukyutan ako, love? This one is really nice too. No? There's a cutie. Ito is a snowflakes. Ayan. No? Should we get one talaga? Which one? I think this one is cute.
Yeah, I like that too. It's a snowflakes.
Yeah, it is a snowflakes. Okay, let's take one. Ay, whoops. Yay! Hi guys! So nakabalik na kami dito sa apartment and nag-grab lang kami ng supper namin. Supposedly magluluto tayo ng fried chicken pero sabi niya ng asawa ko ay magpizza na daw kami. So, we're having some pizza and some wine tonight for supper. Tapos meron din, dun sa deal na nakuha namin for $24.99. It's a 2 medium pizza, guys, with cheesecake. So, 4 pieces siya ng chocolate cheesecake. So, lalagay ko muna siya sa ref. This is what we got from Pizza 73. So, medyo struggle pagbukas pero ayan siya. It comes with a 10 pieces chicken wings. Ayan, paano ba ito buksan? Uy, bakit ganito? Ayan. Ayan siya. So, it's better. So, we got the Nashville fried chicken. It's a 10 pieces. Ayan. And then, wow. Tear top to open. Ganyan daw siya buksan. Ah, ang cute. Oh, nasa isang box lang pala siya, love. Oh. That's cute. So, yeah, we got Hawaiian. And this one is just a ground beef with some onions. Ayan. Let's try. Sorry, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Sorry, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. And it's not dry.
Ano masasabi mo ba?
That's really good. I'm surprised. Malambot yung tinapay. Hindi kailangan ng cheese.
Kaya kapan sila.
For tomorrow. Bye!